Who wants to go outside? You guys want to go out? You need to? Really? Are you talking to Mama? I see your shadow. All right. You guys went out in the rain? Oh my goodness. You guys went out in the rain? You don't care, huh? Oh, now they're like, no, get me back in. Get me back in. It's raining. You guys didn't even go. See, Zinja cannot even be wet. He has to lick himself. Zulu too. Oh yeah, they're like, I got some raindrops on me. I'm melting. Come here, guys. Aw, come here, Zinja. Did you get wet? Oh, look at Zinja licking you off. He's like, I gotta lick some more. Some raindrops on me. You guys are too funny. Too funny. Love you.